In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Huion Canvas 16 to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect any canvas that you have from Huion to any device. I'm going to be talking specifically about the Canvas 16 and connecting it to an Android or iOS device, but of course you can follow these same instructions for other models and other devices as well. So this connection will be primarily done using the ports available on the canvas and then the cables themselves. So all that you have to do is grab a full-featured USB-C to USB-C cable. This is going to be by far the most convenient option to use. You might have seen the 1, 2, 3 cables that come with some of the other canvas models, but it seems like nowadays they ship these with a standard USB-C cable, which cuts down on the amount of cables that you have to use. If you still have the old 3-to-1 cable, then you will have to use it instead, but I assume that most people will have access to a USB-C port on their phone. So all that you have to do in this case is plug one end of the USB-C cable into the canvas, and the other one goes into any device, so a laptop, a PC, a tablet, or of course your phone. If you are using an iOS device that has a Lightning port, you will need an adapter from Lightning to USB-C. The other cable is going to be used to give it power, so you plug the other end into this port available on the Huion tablet, and then the other end goes into a power adapter. This will be a standard USB-A port on the power brick or power adapter that goes into any power outlet available in your house. This will give it the necessary power to function, and this is how the connection is going to look like with both cables attached. So you will be able to hook it up to any device. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, we can make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.